choose the correct answers. Which tool allows you to change the color of an object in Paint 3D? What kind of shapes can you draw using the 2D Shapes tool? Which section contains pre-made 3D objects? Fill in the blanks. The dash is the workspace where you create your drawings. The dash tool helps remove unwanted parts of a drawing. A dash is an example of a 3D shape in Paint 3D. The dash tool isolates specific parts of an image. True or false? The eraser tool can add colors to a drawing. The magic select tool isolates parts of an image. You can create 2D stars using Paint 3D.